What's up? My name is Tamal, and you know me. And in today's video, we're gonna unbox Titan watch. So I saw this watch in PVP. You know what is that? So I like that watch, so I bought it. The money is 7,795 rupees. So let's see what's inside. Oh, this is the watch, and this is the leather sponge. So here we have the assurance. See this watch, guys. This is the minute and second and hour clock. I like this watch, it's pretty good, and I will suggest you all to buy this watch. So this is the stainless steel watch. See the back of this watch, pretty good watch. But so many days before, means 2-3 months before, I bought another watch. See guys, so much difference in this packing. See here light red, and this is a dark red. You can notice that. So inside that is, see, this is a spun cloth, and this is the leather one. See the difference. So new watch packing is good, and the old watch packing is not good. It's pretty good. So this is the watch, guys, with gold coating, means not real gold. Don't think it's a real gold.
Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street, landed the heinous gangbangers in cold heat, and Los Santos neighbors get no sleep.